Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall! Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again. More things to talk to you about. Big up and respect. Yeah, I want to send a shout out to Shan and Michael TV. That's a YouTube channel. Yeah, go check it out. Shan and Michael TV. And Okiv, big up yourself. You see? Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police officers went to a community within Jamaica to resolve a dispute between several persons. Now, allegedly, it is said that a person hit a person with a machete. And if you look and listen to the video carefully, you might get a good understanding about the whole situation. You see what I say? And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can tell me who you think was right and who you think was wrong and so on. You see what I say? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think of people.
I'm talking about this at the
You know, Morgan.
Hold on a minute. You can't speed on the lane.
Yes, sir.
Because if me live here, and you look at me, you're going to go to war.
Yes, sir.
It's at 30 miles, so now you have to go slow.
Yes, sir.
You can't be speaking, you lick the man dog, you licking dog.
Yes, sir.
And he say, no, make no war with the dog. But what about if it wasn't a dog? What about if it was a child? You have a right to defend me. So we are saying to you, you can't speed that's up. You crawl that's up. Crawl. Me not talk yet, hold on. No, you hold on. Answer. So I'm saying, I'll do something about it. You drive, you see as a stop. I'm the bigger license in the car.
No, sir, we sell the car.
License in the car because you see them.
Remember, you check my papers tonight.
Policeman that talk.
You check my papers.
No,
You check my papers. Me always straight to the law, sir.
The bike we are busting and the baby on the bed. Go there now, talk about the bike. We are busting at the lane. Go. Nobody knows.
That's a good point.
But they mind bad. Because none of them now know car at all. Car at all. And the market is brand new 1.7 million. Hot to know. Hot to know. And I'm not talking to me. I'm there with this stepfather. So we know
listen to me now, sir.
do not there with this stepfather.
Listen to me now.
You are not talking.
That's a chat. That's a chat. That's a chat. That's a chat.
Never look for you and say me a rich.
In front of police, I see them things there.
Mama against me too. Against me come by no man. And he slap me and me against me come by me and George have a drink. Me and George have a drink. Mama, me can't be say that. Me can't be say all that against me too, mama. A drink me come have. No, but if he puts in the chop off me neck, who know that say okay dead. If me dey come in after with war, here.
Stop speeding.
But me tell the police why me that speed already. I 3 months, brother. It was an emergency and like me do that every time. You know me always lock up in my house already. You know me always lock up in my house. You know me not come out. And this a man tell me follow come. Exactly. And I only go a station first, you know. And the man come and take me out of my bed, you know, and carry me out of the station, you know. And I know me think say over me come have a drink. You think if me don't say in this still now worried me that come back here so. And some would have brave me alone. I judge me and judge I have a drink. Get yourself, brother. And do man, say everything good and you want to come have a drink, brother. So you want to come back in here. You know me all lock up in my house. Me hardly come here. If you name father, tell me if you follow me go sell the market, money there. You see me, this a come from afar. I know he's speeding. I find it a text on YouTube. This a come from afar and I know speeding. I know me want to speed and I want to end the pan.
But they always tell him about speeding early enough.
But I want to end the pan. Me want everybody the pan. Me see this a come from afar if you have sense. Yeah, me want them a cuss, you know.
You see Randy come out your team already when you have the market. You think only go team.
See a pitney, one more want.
You see. So.
George, if me know say yo. Think no good mood, no come here by myself. Me think you know what going on.
Alright, me stop it right there, so my people. I stopped it right there. See me? It's just a piece of the video that I present to you. Now, here's the thing that I want to say. First things first. 2 wrongs do not make a right. Just like how 2 left can't make a right, 2 wrongs don't make a right. You see me I say? I know so one have nothing to do with the other, but try and get to me I say. The thing is, what me I try to understand, viewers and subscribers, is that how we reach to the point where someone attacks someone based on some things that I heard in the video. Because the police officer said some things in the video that gave me the understanding that a dog had been hit by a car, but whosoever owned the dog did not and was not going to make much of the situation. So if not much I make out of that the situation, then my people, how it reach to the point where someone attack someone or hit someone then? You know what I say? So, you know, we just not understand that. But you see, in my point of view, based on some things that I see and hear in the video, you know, there might be more to this whole situation than what I see and hear in another video. See? Who knows? Maybe feelings are carry. But one thing for sure, 2 wrongs don't make a right. See? 3, 4, 5, 10 wrongs don't make a right neither. But anyways, you know, you can let me know what you think, my people. You can tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong. But me just tell you what I think, because based on what I see and hear in that video, I still wonder how the situation reached to the point where someone attacks someone and so on. You see me I say? But anyways, I'm going to move on to our next topic. Now, I got the understanding that there are allegations and rumors spreading on social media about a singer or a musician who goes by the name of Dalton Harris. Yeah, I got the understanding that there are allegations and rumors spreading on social media about Dalton Harris and him being a father and so forth. So me I say, now I got the understanding that the rumor and allegations have been made on social media based on a post that had been made on Dalton Harris' Instagram account or his Instagram page. You see me I say, yeah, now here is a screen recording of the post on the Instagram page or the Instagram account. You see me I say, my people, because I don't want to think a lie me I tell. You see? Yeah, so here is a screen recording. Now I'm going to read just some of the words from that post, and I think this part is the main part where might have caused all these allegations and the rumors. See me? So a part of the post said, I am trying to focus on being a great father to my daughter, a supportive friend, brother, son, and building a better relationship with myself. Me not read no more. See? So, it's not like me know Dalton Harris's life. You see me as my people? But I wonder if he's really and truly a father. Yes, I ask my people. And here's the next thing again too. I think that this whole thing is being talked about on social media, not only because of the post that have been made on Dalton Harris' Instagram account or the Instagram page, but maybe it's because of certain things that happened in the past pertaining to Dalton Harris. Yes, I ask my people, but you can let me know what you think. You know, you can let me know what you think, but people. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Alright, now in United States of America, Pennsylvania State Police say that a man who was upset about an argument with his own mother drove a motor vehicle into a crowd of people at a fundraiser for a recent deadly fire that happened within the United States of America. Killed 1 person and injured at least 17 others. Then returned home and beat his own mother to death. Talk about mental health issues versus subscribers. So according to more information that I got the understanding that the man had been identified by the first name of Adrian. I'm not sure how to pronounce the rest of his name, my people. So may I say, and it is said that the man is 24-year-old. See? So, it is said that the man was arraigned early Sunday on 2 counts of criminal homicide. See? So let me see if I can give you some more information based on this news article right here, viewers and subscribers, because this is just disturbing in my point of view. I got the understanding that the police within United States of America said that Adrian was involved in an argument with his mother at their home on Saturday evening. That's the 13th of August, the year 2022. And somehow he started to drive a motor vehicle, and while driving, he became frustrated about these arguments with his mother, and it's like he wanted to done with it. So I also got the understanding that police said that a crowd of about 75 people, or more than 70 people, was gathered at a blocked off parking lot, and they were holding a all-day fundraiser for a certain purpose. So I say, yeah, it's like, you know, they were doing the fundraising event for a deadly fire that caused the life of adults and children. So I say, my people, anyway, so based on what police say, it is said that Adrian told them that he drove past the gathering, then turned around and headed back to the bar to drive through the crowd of people. See? So it's like investigators asked him how fast he drove into the crowd, and Adrian replied, speeding up. See? So my understanding is that the man drive past the crowd, turn back, see the crowd of people, and just gas right in the crowd of people. Just like that. And then after him do that, he went home and then beat his own mother to death. Based on information me get, that's the understanding me get. My people, talk about mental health issues, my people. See? Something like that really and truly have me thinking if that person have mental health issues. His own mother, children were in that crowd as well, to viewers and subscribers. I'm not just adults alone, based on information we get. But anyways, just I tell you like it is, my people. See it? And please bear in mind that there are more information about this whole situation. You see it? Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you are.